What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I have right here the iPad mini 6, or otherwise known as the 2021 iPad mini, the redesign. And let me just right off the bat say this is my favorite purchase I've made in 2021 and probably of old time. I absolutely love this iPad mini 6, but as you can tell from the title, I'm not going to talk about more so, or this is not a review of the iPad mini 6. I'm going to unbox a product I picked up so you don't have to, and I was really curious to try it out because the iPad mini doesn't have support for the Magic Keyboard. So I had to go ahead and pick up a Bluetooth keyboard case, kind of, and Logitech doesn't make one. I kind of wish they did. And Logitech, if you ever come across this video, please make a Bluetooth keyboard. But I went ahead and I went on Amazon and picked up this right here. And I'll leave the link of this specific keyboard case in the description down below. And I want to unbox it and kind of give you my thoughts on it and see if it's really worth it when using the iPad mini 6. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, let's dive right in. Okay, so let's just move that aside. Right here, we have the package. Let's pull this out. So there we go. There's that. Okay, so it's in some nice, neat packaging. Okay, and it's got a really nice, clean texture to it. It does look pretty thick. Now, obviously, there's some padding inside as well. Here's your user manual. There is that foam, that's garbage. Here is the keyboard. Oh my God, this is really small. Like, wow. It's not too bad. Like, okay, it's not that bad, but okay, wow. It's just like super, super small. But we're gonna make it work. We are going to make it work. And this is also detachable too, but it magnetically connects to the case as well. Now let's go ahead and take this out, the iPad mini, out of its case. Let's go ahead and put it inside the new one. And we can go ahead like that. There we go. And it fits snugly right in there, just like that. And if I want to use it as a keyboard, what I think it's going to look like is going to look like this. I'm going to connect this using the magnets, turn this on, and it's going to connect through Bluetooth. So we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Now, right off the bat, it's not really that stable. Like, it's shaking already. But let's go ahead and go to Bluetooth. Connect Bluetooth keyboard. All right. So it says Bluetooth keyboard connected. There we go. It's still really wobbly too. So let's go ahead and let's go into our Google Docs. Let's open up a new document. And let's call it iPad. Wow, this is super small. Like, it's usable, but my hands are fairly large, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to use it. I'll get used to it after a while. iPad mini 6 test. I am writing. Wow, this is really hard to use. I'm writing this using the iPad mini 6 case, and this is the typing experience. Okay, so just looking at it firsthand, it's not bad by all means. The keyboard is fine. It's definitely much smaller than your typical keyboard, even with a Magic Keyboard or with a normal laptop. since it's a smaller device, obviously the keyboards, I get that it's going to be much smaller too, but it'll definitely take a while to get used to. That's a fact. And you did notice that it really did connect super quickly. And if I just want to turn it off, I'll just hit that off switch, and there you go. So it doesn't have the pins, the smart pin connectors. So you're going to have to connect it through Bluetooth, and it connects right away. So I turned it off and I turned it back on now, and it really does work like a charm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. It's nice. I like it. Okay, and let's say I'm done. I turn it off. Just pull that out. And if I want to watch a video here, just bring it at a different angle. There's 3 different angles. I can bring the iPad mini 6 to. And if I just want to go ahead and close it up, there it is. It's fairly large if you ask me, the case itself. But there it is, really. Not bad. Not bad at all. If you want to go ahead and kind of put this in here too and lock it up just like that, then it fits more snug. Although there is a concern if you were to do that. The only concern I kind of have is the keyboard's kind of scratching on the iPad mini screen if you don't have a screen protector. So do keep that in mind. The Apple Pencil does fit snug in there. It is kind of easy to take out. There's an opening right here. You just place it in there. There you go. Touch ID still works too. There's an opening for Touch ID right there. You can use the iPad mini 6 just like that. Or you can obviously, to use the keyboard, you're gonna have to pull it back and bring it right. You can even bring it just to the very end and use it just like that as your mini keyboard. I think this will work definitely much on younger, maybe on kids. But for me, it would take some time to get used to. I could definitely see myself using this. Maybe if I go to like a coffee shop and I have to, or anywhere, maybe to like the library to sit down and write a voiceover or a article on Medium, whatever it is. Like I can definitely see myself doing this, but it's definitely not convenient. And that makes sense because it's a small device. It's an iPad mini 6. You're getting an 8.3 inch screen. It's small device. It's compact. I get it. But so I personally like this. There are different colors. I'll leave, like I said, I'll leave the link in the description down below. If you go on Amazon, there's different brands for these types of Bluetooth keyboard cases. Or if you don't want to get a Bluetooth keyboard case, you can just get a Bluetooth keyboard too. But then again, you're gonna have to carry that around and it's a hassle. Now, obviously you're saying, okay, this is Bluetooth, it doesn't connect through a smart pin, so where does it get its charge? Well, it does run on charge, and you'll know when these lights do shine that you have to charge it, it needs power, whatever. But it is USB, micro USB. It's not USB-C. That's a bummer. I didn't come across any, but if you do come across any Bluetooth keyboards that support USB-C, please let me know. It's just an extra hassle now. Like I've fully transitioned to all my products using USB-C, excluding the iPhone, which is now MagSafe. So I don't even need to carry a lightning connector. iPhones are typically, I have wireless chargers anyway if I'm in the car or on my table, and the only cable I have on my table is USB-C, so just an extra cable is a hassle. That's just some minor thing that I found about this keyboard. It's okay, I'll get used to it. But if there is a USB-C output or USB-C compatible keyboard, let me know. I just haven't come across any. Overall, I like this though. I definitely will be using this. And that's really it. I think it's overall, it's a good thing that someone went ahead and, made this a thing, because I don't think you would want to go ahead and carry a keyboard. You don't want to carry 2 things at once. You just want to carry one compact device. And this iPad mini keyboard case, let's put it that way, really does get the job done. There's going to be many people saying, man, why would you get a keyboard case for an iPad mini? Like, those are going to be used more so for media consumption, as a media consumption device. And yes, I use it a lot for media consumption. I watch a lot of YouTube and my Amazon Prime and Disney Plus Shout out to Disney Plus. They've been coming out with a lot of great things. But in the end, I still do work. Like, I'm still following what's going on my Medium. I'm making, staying up to date on Medium through my iPad. This is my portable infotainment car system. I don't use my original car system. I don't have Apple CarPlay. That's for a different video. You might see that video on the channel either before or after this. I don't know which one's coming out first. But I use this iPad Mini 6 quite frequently, let's put it that way. Every single day. Like, this is a part of me, and I carry it with me everywhere I go. It's just been great. I personally like this case. I will see myself using it. And if this is something that you're looking for, then I would say go ahead and pick this up. It's nice. I like it. But there's that. There's this keyboard case. Overall, it's nice. It'll take some time to get used to a smaller keyboard, but overall, it will get the job done. This is what you're looking for, a compact machine. Anyway, that's really been it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said, if you did, be sure to Superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.